So one of my friends, who I won't say his name here right now just because I don't know if he wants me to, he came to Uman for the first time, and as sometimes happens, I think there's over 100 different minyanim in Uman for Rosh Hashanah. And so he's trying to find his place. And you know, there's a lot of different things. There's a minyan with like a few thousand Yemenites, a minyan with a few thousand Sfardim. There's the big klois with like 5,000 like Yerushalmi Chassidim. And then you got, you know, all these other different things. There's all kinds of minyanim. So he's having trouble finding his place and where to fit in. You know, Uman is a very, very intense place. And when you go to the grave of Rebbe Nachman, it's intensity. Right? And he's going to awaken things in you. And it's a little bit, it could be difficult at first when you go there. Because things come up. This person, he was struggling a little bit. And he was walking around going to different places. And he found in one place, beautiful place called Nekuda Tova. He finds himself at this place. And there, he runs into right outside, Rabbi Yaakov Klein also. So he tells a little bit to Rabbi Yaakov Klein about what's going on with him. And how he's having a hard time, right? So Klein tells him this analogy, and when he told me this analogy, I was like, oh, this makes sense exactly. He says, Uman is like one big hospital. And in the hospital, there's many different wards. And there's different types of refuahs that different people need. And everybody comes, why? Because something's just not right. They come because they need a tikkun, they need a rectification. They need a repair, they need a refuah. So they come, and for this person over here is going to be good. For this person over here is going to be good. But they're all going to be coming around the CEO of the hospital, Rebbe Nachman, who's going to give them something. And so, as we know, when you need a refuah, it's not always pleasant, and things get brought up that you have to deal with, right? So this is what he experienced over there, and this is one of the beautiful aspects of tzaddikim, and particularly in the story of Rebbe Nachman. And so this is what happens, you know, when you go to such a place, is that you have an opportunity to experience a refuah and to experience a tikkun.